12 best side hustles for men. That's the topic of this video today. Most of these side hustles I have tried myself. In fact, when I was at my lowest point financially, when I lost my job back in 2021, these side hustles kept me going. They didn't change my life or anything, but at least I made enough to keep making my car payment, put gas in the car, eat, etc. So this is not just an opinion-based video. This is from experience. I've done this. I've lived it. So I know they work. And if they worked for me, they can work for you too. Let's get into it. So we're going to break this video down into 4 categories of side hustles: physical and outdoor activities, creative and artistic ventures, entrepreneurship, and professional services. Each category contains 3 to 4 side hustles, and we're going to break each side hustle down into 4 sections. 1, how does it work? 2, the benefits. 3, how to get started. And 4, time commitment. Let's unpack the first category, which is physical and outdoor activities. In this category, we have 4 side hustles. The first side hustle is to become a handyman. Now, if you enjoy mounting TVs or repairing leaky faucets, becoming a handyman could be a great side hustle for you. There are a lot of needs for handyman services, and if you're able to do small tasks for people, this could be a great option. Now, depending on the services you can offer, you can expect to make anywhere from $100 to $500 per job. To get started, you need to offer your services on a platform like Nextdoor, TaskRabbit, or Thumbtack. Compensation will vary when you're just starting out. Keep that in mind. And as you become more experienced, you can increase your rates. And once you establish yourself as a reliable handyman, start building a client list through word of mouth. Homeowners are constantly looking for help with home projects. The more trusted you are in your community, the easier it will be to get high-paying gigs. And the time commitment for this one is low. One way to make some serious cash is to offer a service that is too good to pass up. This next side hustle does just that. You can devote as much or little time as you want to this side hustle idea, and that is mobile car detailing. Now, you can make anywhere from $50 to $500 per job, but the amount you make is going to be very dependent on the services that you offer. The higher end the service, the more you will make. However, higher end detailing takes more time and also more equipment, which you'd have to pay for, obviously. To get started, you need to share your detailing side gig on platforms like Nextdoor or Facebook. Work with property managers to negotiate deals for their tenants, then start watching the requests come in. The time commitment for this one is medium. Landscaping is another great side hustle for men. It allows you to put your weed whacker or lawnmower to work by cleaning up other people's properties. How much you can make as a landscaper really depends on what type of services you're offering. Are you thinking about doing one-off jobs like brush clearing? You maybe make $200 to $400 for a day's work. If you're trying to get regular maintenance going, that's going to earn you maybe $100 to $200 per month, but less workload each time. You can make even more money as a landscaper by offering year-round services or expanding your offerings. If you live in the north, offer snow removal during the winter months. If that isn't an option, offer additional services like power washing homes. The time commitment for this one is medium to high. If you've ever moved, you know how much of a hassle it is. From packing up the boxes to loading to unloading them, the whole process is very time consuming. And because of that, people are willing to pay anyone to help them move. And as someone who worked in this industry for 3+ years, I can tell you this is a great way to make some quick cash. You likely earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. And to get started, you can either join an existing moving service as a part-time or full-time employee, or you can offer moving services on your own. Connect with local realtors to let them know you're offering moving services. Look for opportunities during peak moving times and fill up your schedule with moving gigs. There are also apps like Dolly that you can find people looking for movers, and the time commitment for this one is low. Let's move on to the next category, which is creative and artistic ventures. The first side hustle you can start from this category is offering drone photography and videography services. Now, skilled photographers are already highly sought after. Make yourself stand out by offering drone images. Now, there are 2 different ways you can work this side hustle. One way is to book gigs. Let weddings and event planners know you're available to offer drone photography services and begin booking clients. Another way is to create a library of stock images and B-roll videos. License your content out on sites like Deposit Photos. Drone videos are used in media ranging from Hollywood movies to YouTube videos. Licensing your content is a great way to earn income on the side of your 9 to 5. You can earn several $100s per shoot, but you'll have to spend money on the drone and the permits. to be a commercial drone photographer, you will need to get your FAA drone license. You will also need to connect with various people like real estate agents or others to market yourself. And the time commitment for this one is low to medium. According to Upwork, 38% of the workforce in the United States has performed some freelance work. Freelancing is becoming more and more common, and it's unlikely to slow down anytime soon, which makes freelancing the perfect side hustle in my opinion. Freelancing includes freelance writing, editing, social media work, and much more. With freelancing, you can seriously scale your income. There is also a huge potential for work-life balance because you only do the work that you want to do. The income range can be low or limitless. To get started as a freelancer, figure out what your service is. Are you a good writer? Are you a good video editor? Or are you really good at running Facebook ads? And once you figure out what you like to offer, use a site like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients. Compensation will vary based on what you're offering and your skill level. One of the best benefits of freelancing is that it can help you develop skills to bolster your resume. Who knows, maybe your next client could become your next full-time job. The time commitment for this one is low to medium. Now, this next side hustle, we only discuss it as a side hustle for women, but it can also be a good side hustle for men. 30% of OnlyFans creators are male, and there are a lot of ways you can earn money on the platform. This is another side hustle where you have the potential to earn very little or extreme amounts of extra income. It really depends if you're going to keep this as a small fun job or turn it into a full-time job. Don't worry if nudity isn't your thing. There are other ways to earn on the platform. You can make money by posting fitness content, foot pics, cosplay, and live Q&As with your community members. If you're already a regular content creator on a website or social media, you could utilize OnlyFans as a chance for your followers to get regular behind-the-scenes content about your everyday life. The time commitment for this one is low to medium. Let's move on to the next category, which is entrepreneurship. I call these side hustle ideas entrepreneurship related, but really there are simply ways to earn additional income from something that you have the time for. These are also some of the most popular side hustles. First one is delivery services. One of the easiest ways to monetize your free time is to do deliveries on platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Amazon Flex. Delivery platforms allow you to work a schedule that fits around your 9-to-5 job. Simply log on the app and start delivering. The best thing about delivery service apps is the ability to get paid instantly. These apps aren't going to really help you achieve financial independence, but they will put a little extra in your pocket instantly. It's really simple to get started. Have a way to deliver car, bike, scooter, and sign up for the relevant apps in your area. Then just turn on the apps and drive. That's simple. Time commitment for this one is low. The next side hustle is to drive for a ride-sharing app. Ride-sharing apps are another way to bring in extra cash during your downtime. Just like delivery apps, log on and start driving when it's convenient for you. The amount you can earn driving for a ride-share app is going to depend on how much you drive, when you drive, and any promotional offers you're currently getting. But this side hustle also requires a vehicle, so there are costs involved. One benefit of driving with a ride-sharing app is that you can use it to bring in leads for another side hustle. If you're a handyman, for example, keep a deck of business cards in your car. When you talk with your riders, let them know you're also a handyman and offer them your card. Not only is this an easy way to find new customers, but you also get paid to do so. It's a win-win if you ask me. And the time commitment for this is low. One of the best side hustles for men is flipping stuff on sites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This is a great side hustle because it allows you to make money around work and family obligations. You can put as much or as little time into it as you want. This side hustle has a good potential to earn extra money, but it all depends on what you find, what you sell it for, and can you minimize your shipping or delivery costs. Now, you can either flip finished goods like vintage toys or find things that need fixing first, and the time commitment for this is low. The next category is professional services, and the first side hustle of that category is repair services. Now, similar to becoming a handyman, fixing things is another great side hustle for men. It allows you to get paid to solve problems. If you already have a garage full of tools, repairing things is a great way to put those tools to work. One thing that's great about this side hustle is that it isn't limited to individuals. You can offer your services to businesses and restaurants to be their go-to repair person. Here are a few things that you can repair: small engines, electronics, household appliances, office equipment, espresso machines, and much more. how much you can earn really depends on what you're fixing and able to do. Smarter items will have smarter fees, while things like an iPhone could earn you several hundreds of dollars. Now, the best way to find these gigs is by offering them on a site like Nextdoor or Craigslist. And once you establish yourself as a reliable repair person, work on building up word of mouth referrals. Time commitment for this one is medium. Now, this next side hustle is tech support services. Turning tech support services into a side hustle job involves offering assistance with software, hardware, or general technology issues to individuals or small businesses. This can include troubleshooting, setting up devices, software installation, and providing guidance on tech-related queries. Depending on the services, you can earn one-off flat fees of $50 to $100 to several thousands if you're helping a small business set up their network. Now, to get started, you should assess your tech skills and identify the types of services that you can confidently offer. Now, building a strong online presence through a professional website or profile on freelance platforms can attract clients. Networking with friends, family, professional contacts is also crucial for gaining initial clients and building a reputation. Now, the time commitment for this one is medium. Now, I want to be frank with you though. None of this even matters if you don't even know the steps you must take to start your side hustle. Lucky for you, this video right here will teach you just that. Go watch it. I'll see you there.